Good morning. How can I help you?
I want to deposit some money.
Sure. Please fill this deposit slip.
Okay, I will do that.
Write your name and account number here.
Like this?
Yes, that is correct.
Thank you for your help. Please give me the cash to deposit. Here is the money. I am counting it now. Please check carefully. Your deposit is complete.
Can I get a receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you very much. Hello, how can I help you today?
I want to withdraw money.
Please fill this withdrawal form.
Okay, I understand.
Please show your ID card.
Here is my ID.
Thank you, everything looks fine.
That was quick.
How much would you like to withdraw?
I want £200.
Please wait a moment.
Okay, I will wait.
Here is your cash.
Let me count it.
Please check and confirm.
Yes, it is correct.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, thank you.
You are welcome anytime.
Your service is very good. Banking is easy when we understand the process.
We are always here to help.
Saving and managing money is important.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and follow for more content. Your support helps us create more informative and engaging videos.